Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was a dreamer with a heart full of aspirations and a mind bursting with imagination. Her greatest dream was to become a renowned storyteller, weaving magical tales that would captivate the hearts of listeners far and wide. Maya spent her days under the ancient tree at the village center, where she would narrate stories to the children who gathered around her. Her stories were filled with wonder and wisdom, transporting the young listeners to far-off lands and sparking their own dreams. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, an old storyteller named Mr. Wilson passed through the village. The villagers revered him for his wisdom and storytelling prowess. Intrigued by Maya's storytelling, he decided to listen to her tale. With eager eyes and a nervous heart, Maya began to spin a story about a brave young adventurer in search of a legendary treasure. As she wove her words, Mr. Wilson's eyes lit up with delight, and he could feel the magic in her storytelling. After the story concluded, Mr. Wilson approached Maya with a warm smile. "My dear, you have a gift," he said. "Your stories carry a rare enchantment. You must share your tales with the world." But doubt filled Maya's heart. "Oh, sir," she replied, "I am just a village girl. How could I ever make my dreams come true?" Mr. Wilson gently placed a hand on her shoulder and said, "Dreams do not come true through wishful thinking alone. They require courage, determination, and the belief in oneself. You have the talent, Maya, and it is time to take a leap of faith." Emboldened by Mr. Wilson's encouragement, Maya decided to set out on a journey to pursue her dream. She bid tearful goodbyes to her family and friends, knowing that her heart's desire lay beyond the village borders. With her trusty quill and a satchel full of stories, Maya embarked on a quest to find her place in the world. She traveled from town to town, sharing her captivating tales with anyone willing to listen. The crowds were spellbound by her narratives, and word of her gift spread like wildfire. One day, as she performed in a bustling city square, a publisher named Mr. Carter happened to hear her storytelling. Impressed by Maya's talent, he offered her an opportunity to publish a collection of her stories. Ecstatic and grateful, Maya poured her heart and soul into her first book. The day it hit the shelves, people flocked to the bookstores.